Same face but different makeup looks. Can you see the difference? If you're a person who does not wear makeup because you feel like it makes you look worse, I'm here to change your mind. Regardless of how you look, the key to great makeup is the technique. In today's video, I'll be showing the step-by-step process of makeup look that will look good on you. All of the products that are going to be used will be up to 55% off and will be in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing. This video is sponsored by Style Korean, and thank you Style Korean for sponsoring this video. Has your foundation ever separated or peeled during or after applying? Have you tried the foundation recommended by your favorite influencers but not working on your skin? Regardless your skin type, majority of my followers, you guys, tend to struggle with dryness. Specifically, in this cold weather, our skin is more likely to become dry, causing foundation to separate. If you are struggling with this issue, the first step is to understand your skin type. To start, you should look at the signs your skin is showing. It is better to acknowledge that the differences between dry and dehydrated skin. If your skin feels dry, it does not necessarily mean that you have dry skin. It is possible your skin can be both dry and oily. For dry skin, it is the skin type that lacks in oil. People are born with dry skin. For dehydrated skin, your skin is lacking in water. It is not a skin type but a symptom. This is most common during colder weather. You may experience your user foundation doesn't suddenly work well, which might be because your skin is dehydrated. For dry skin, the product that has a rich formula containing a decent amount of oil and water will be helpful to not only hydrate your skin but also lock in moisture. Instead of watery gel moisturizer, look for the product that has oil in it to not to hydrate but also lock and seal the moisture. When it comes to choosing the serum or essence, instead of lightweight, thin, watery serum, go for one that is richer like an essence. This mixed bean essence is a good choice because it's made mainly with fermented beans, which repairs damaged skin. Also, this essence helps to strengthen your skin barrier, which is beneficial for dry skin. Because of a rich formula, this product is helpful for improving dry and flaky skin, making it more hydrated and nourished. After using it, I could see that my skin looked plump with a nice dewy glow. For dehydrated skin, serum sandwich technique will be absolutely helpful. You can use either a toner or watery serum, applying multiple layers until your skin feels hydrated enough. Common symptoms of dehydrated skin include irritation, itchiness, and redness. So looking for products with calming ingredients will be helpful. For that reason, Aviv Heart Leaf Essence is a good choice for dehydrated skin. It is a lightweight serum with a gel-like texture that feels watery when applied to my skin. It is easy to apply and absorb quickly, so it sits well under my makeup. There are main ingredients in this product which makes up 80% is heart leaf extract. These ingredients help to smooth and irritated skin. After applying 2 layers of this product, I could see that my overall hydration on my skin was enhanced, looking more plump and hydrated but not looking oily. If you apply foundation all over your face, you might notice it makes your face look flat, leaving you looking less flattering. If you try to make your face one shade by using a single shade of heavy foundation, your face will look two-dimensional and your definition in your face blurred. If you want to achieve a three-dimensional makeup look to enhance your natural features, please remember that the goal of this video is not to make your face one color with one shade. Some part of your face can be darker while others can be lighter. For the best outcome, the center of your face should look the brightest while the rest should match your natural color. For a more sculpted look, the rest of your face beyond the center can be a bit darker than your natural face. Then let's try to find how to choose the best shade of foundation. If you're a person who applies a foundation only on the center of your face, it is better to go with the shade that is slightly lighter than your natural skin tone. By doing this, the center of your face will be more defined and naturally enhanced. If you're a person who applies foundation all over your face, you should use a shade that perfectly matches your skin tone. If you're a person who loves tan and healthy look for one that is a half or one full shade darker than your natural skin tone, and then apply it for a healthier look. Then how to apply a foundation. If you're a beginner in makeup, using a cushion puff or makeup sponge will be easier choice because of its straightforward application and technique. All you have to do is tap the sponge onto your face. For cushion foundation, I'm going to use this Amuse Vegan Cushion in Tan and Honey. Surprisingly, it has light to medium coverage, which I love because it is pretty hard to find this light of coverage from cushion foundations. It gives a healthy glow without being too shiny, so perfect for those who want radiant natural skin look. The shade I'm going to use is 03 Honey, which is a bit lighter than my skin tone, and 0410, which is a bit thinner but the brightness itself matched. Our face isn't all the same thickness. The center is thinner than the outer part, so use less product there and cover it lightly for a natural look. If you're a person who applies foundation only on the center of your face, then take a product that is slightly lighter than your skin tone and start applying it from the center of your face and blend towards the outer part of your face. If you're a person who applies foundation all over your face and want to get a healthier look, start by applying it on the higher points of your cheek rather than the apples of your cheek. The starting point should be closer to your temple. After stamp one dot on the point, start blending towards the center of your face. When comparing these two eye makeup looks, one will make my eyes not stand out as much, but will be more of dark shade. You can only see that the eyes are surrounded by a large area of color. But when you look at the good example, you can see my eyes are naturally enhanced without making my eye area too dark or bright. This is the look we are going to achieve, and for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Rom&nd palette. This is a palette I literally use almost every day and have already featured multiple times on my channel because of its versatile range of shades. I use the lightest matte shade and shimmer shade to brighten areas like the inner corner of my eyes or underneath my brows. For the light brown shade, I like to lightly shade my entire lids. You can also apply along your lower lash lines. Using the midtone color, we are going to shade the crease. It doesn't necessarily have to be above the crease, but the most important thing is blending. Instead of leaving an abrupt edge, make sure to blend until it looks natural. The same goes for the lower lash line. For a nicely deepened and contoured eye makeup look, you can take a brown eyeshadow and contour the outer part of your eyes to extend them. This will give your eyes a more sculpted appearance rather than if you apply the dark shade all over your lids. I do the same for the lower lash lines to achieve a deeper look. Last but not least, using a dark brown, almost black shade, I'm going to draw a fake eyeliner. I wouldn't recommend using this shade as a contour because the level of darkness is similar to the eyeliner. It will create a softer, blended, and more natural look. You may have seen this kind of juicy gradient lip, but you may have tried to recreate this look and it didn't look exactly the same. Maybe your lips are too dry, or the color looks too light or too intense without accentuating your lips. Now I'm going to share the step-by-step how to achieve that juicy gradient look exactly the same. First and foremost, we have to prep our lips for a nice and dewy lip look. Even if your aim is to achieve a full matte lip look, it is even more important to prep your lips by hydrating and nourishing them. If they are dry and flaky, the lip product will not sit well. If you're suffering dry and flaky lips, instead of using a lip balm, I highly recommend using a lip mask. Lip mask can be a lifesaver for flaky or dry lips. They are thicker and more intense, meant for deep hydration and repair. The lip mask I'm going to use today to prep my lips is this Tokobo Vita Glaze Lip Mask. It has been a lifesaver for my dry lips, especially during this cold season. This lip mask feels really nice and creamy. It goes on smoothly, providing immediate relief to dry, flaky, and chapped lips. It actually stays for a long time, keeping my lips hydrated. Now our lips are prepared, and for a juicy gradient lip look, let's start off with a base lipstick. A base lipstick serves as a foundation for the lip products you want to pop. It should be matte yet lightweight. For this purpose, I'm going to use this Amuse Dew Velvet lipstick in 08, which is a muted berry shade. I like this product because it has lightweight formula. Being a water satin velvet tint, it strikes a balance between being lightweight and not overly matte, making it an ideal base lip product. It glides glides softly and velvety on my lips, providing a comfortable feel. Now we are going to use the lip product that we want to pop. And the one I've chosen is this Rom&nd Glasting Melting Balm, a soft V color. I tried all of their shades. This is by far the best shade for me. I love the formula as it beautifully melts on my lips, leaving a glossy glow. It has become my go-to lip product for everyday makeup look. If you apply this lip balm on top of the matte lipstick you previously applied, the color will stand out even more. Your lips will look more even and polished. So it was all about makeup techniques that can genuinely enhance your look. But please remember that makeup is a journey. I'm still learning, practicing, and trying new products. I believe that is true joy of makeup, putting effort on yourself and feeling good about yourself. I hope this video helps you find your own path to makeup look you want. Feel free to share this video with your friends or family who might be struggling with makeup and or be discouraged. And again, if you are interested in trying the products I featured, please check the description box for the link. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!